Hello, good morning dear students. Today we are going to see how to change imperative sentences into the indirect speech. See children, all the changes will remain the same. Only we have to focus on the type of the sentence in the imperatives, whether it is an order, it is a command, it is a request, it is an advice, or it is a suggestion. Accordingly, we will change this reporting verb. Like you have seen in the interrogative sentences, we have changed the reporting verb into asked, inquired, demanded of, etc. In the imperative sentences, we are going to change the reporting verb into ordered, commanded, requested, advised, suggested according to the type of the sentence. So here, before introducing the reported speech, you have to focus on this. Again, my trick works here. See every word and change. You will never make a mistake. And second thing, conjunction that will also not be introduced. Like assertive sentences, we will not put the conjunction that. And this imperative mood will change into the infinitive mood. Imperative mood means command, order, etc. This is called imperative mood because it forms the imperative sentence. And infinitive means to plus first form of the verb. Clear? It is infinitive mood. So imperative mood will change into the infinitive. This you have to remember, and no conjunction will be introduced. That means before starting the reported speech, after the reporting verb part is over, directly you have to start the reported speech with to. Okay? Let us see with the help of examples. Rama said to Arjun. Again, look at each word and then change. Rama will not change. Speaker said to. Two things you have to notice here. Said and to is also there. So said to will change. Second thing, we have to change the reporting verb according to the imperative sentence. So said to Arjun. What he said? Let us see the pattern of this sentence. Whether it is an order, it is a command, it is a request, advice or suggestion and so on. Go away. He said go away. Means you can speak out many times and check that it is an order. So what you will write here? Ordered. Okay. Rama ordered, because it said is in the past tense, second form. Order will also be in the second form. To will not be here. Ordered Arjun. Listener will also not change. Comma, inverted commas, no need to write. Go away. What I told you? To plus first form. Arjun to go. To plus first form of the verb. Away as it is. And full stop. Okay. Imperative sentences will also end in full stop. So Rama ordered Arjun to go away. Very simple. Okay. See another example. He said to him. He will not change. Now we have to see what he said to him. What type of a sentence it is? Order, command, request, suggestion, advice, so on. Please wait here. Yes. Look at this word please. Please itself indicates it is a request. So, in place of said to, what you will write? Requested. Because said is in the second form, past tense. So, you will write here requested. He requested. To will not be there. He requested him. To plus first form of the verb. The pattern of the imperative indirect. To wait. Yes. To wait. Here, word indicating nearness will change into the word indicating farness. To wait there till as it is I. I, first person pronoun, the rule of changing the pronouns. First person pronouns will change according to the speaker of the reporting verb. So, I will change into he. Till he return. I takes plural verb. He will take singular verb. He returns. S will be there. Full stop. Clear? Let me rub it out. Yes. Now see another one. He shouted. Already it is there, shouted. Let me go. He shouted. Let me go. What he said? Let indicates what? Ordered. You can even write shouted, no problem. Or commanded. No. Let me go means a sort of a permission. Okay. He, you can write ordered, no problem. If you are confused somewhere, in command order, you can write ordered, no problem. He ordered him, or even if you will not introduce the listener, no problem. He ordered to let him go, even we can write that. He ordered to let me, indicates the speaker, first person. So he, to let, me will become him, go. To and first. Okay, first form. Full stop. Then the fourth. The judge said. What did the judge say? Let us see the style of speaking. Call the first witness. What will the judge do? Judge will either order or command. Okay? In case of a judge, we will use the word command. Command will suit more. So, the judge, speaker will not change. The judge commanded. Judge generally commands. The judge commanded. Then 2 plus first form of the verb. Call is a verb. To call. The first witness as it is. Clear? Full stop. Look now. He ordered to let him go. See every word and change. The judge said, the judge commanded. What? 2 plus first form of call. To call. Whom? The first witness. No other change. Full stop. So here finishes your imperative sentences. How to change imperatives into direct and indirect. Now let us see how to change the last one, that is exclamations and wishes. Both we are going to take together. Both are more or less the same.